How do you update property without redeploying an application? Understand the problem with this example. Let's say for your service you have defined certain properties, and when app is started, these properties are loaded into application environment object. Now let's say the configuration value is updated but app is not restarted. And when application try to access this property, it will see old value. So how to update this property dynamically? So kindly pause the video and think for a solution. So if I have to answer, I would go with centralized configuration. In this, we create a central config file which task is to handle the property files of multiple applications. And these properties are accessed via config server. Now different microservices connect with this config server to fetch their respective property files. Now you might be thinking that how a property change at central config is dynamically updated to different services. So Spring Cloud exposed one endpoint /actuator/refresh. When this endpoint hit, config server fetch the latest property files. Similarly, on each microservices, we have to invoke this endpoint to dynamically refresh the property. So if you find this interesting, I have covered this in depth in Spring Boot playlist. Hope you will find it helpful.